because they were saying that you could get those because you could get new construction, and it's called, I forgot, but it's something like that, new to perm or build to perm or something like that. I'm gonna look it up. But yeah, go ahead.
And just so we clear, guys, that's not something we help you guys with. So we're just giving y'all resources on how to get funding, because we find that that's a commonly asked question. So we don't help with financing, we don't help with you purchasing land, and we don't help with your percolation test or topography surveys. We do not help with those things. So we can give you resources, but that's as best as we can do. Anything more than that, that's not kind of our thing. Our focus is getting your stuff built, getting it installed so you can go live in it. Or play in it. What other things have I heard? So then they have loans that are specifically for modular construction. So keep that in mind. It's called My Construction Loans, and it's basically a new construction loan, but they know that's a specialty way of how you build. And so their focus is how much is the project, and of course your credit, and how many have you done in the past. So that's more from an investor perspective. Some resources out there, but the ones that are not specific for investors, they pretty much ask the same thing. How much is your project? And of course, you know, they're going to run your credit and do all the other traditional things. So those are some resources out there. Also, one last thing, Finance My ADU, since Mojo was just talking about that, is a website, financemyadu.com. They actually have that where they do the ADU financing. If you're doing tiny home financing, not the ones that we do, the ones that are on Chasey's, they have lots of funding out there for that, including Lightstream from SunTrust. So keep in mind, depending on your project type,